Hello, my name is Chris, and this is a response video to Ho, who says in his video, Loving Yourself, and in a few different videos, that form is real, which for most people is not a very controversial idea. But I have to say that that I don't think that he's correct about that, unless he means by real something akin to real in the way in which the mind can conceive of something is real. So the mind would say something is true, for instance, if I can say that there's a picture right over here. Well, the words that I said matched up with that experience, and so we would call that true. So I could say, well, there's form around us. Okay, well, I guess that's true in that sense. But yourself, and I mean, we seem to be on the same page here, kind of, is not form. It is formless. And that is, if he wants to say that that's true in the sense that the word yourself is formless, matches up with a formless experience of yourself, and that's, I guess maybe that's why you could say that that's true, and it's also true that there is form. But I'm not talking about that. Form is not what you are. It has nothing to do with what you are, and what you are is absolutely everything. So I don't know how form can be real in any real sense of the word real. And I do not understand the whole notion of including, that it is required that you deny, or that there's a problem with denying that this is what you are. I'm not this body. I'm not this hand. I'm not this picture. I'm not any of these things. I am what I am. And I'm not going to define myself or let the mind tell me what I am. I'm not the mind. None of that has anything to do with who or what I am. And when I deny that, when I say, well, that's not what I am, that's a technique of detaching the mind from, or detaching my awareness from the mind and returning it to who and what I am. There's no denial in the negative sense. There is if I am a mind, if I'm defining myself as a mind, and then I'm denying that I am certain things, well, it's just some other form of defining yourself, and it's really no different than anything else. It's all incorrect because you're not mind. I don't know how to argue this or really prove it, because it's just a fact. I don't know how you could, if you've had an experience of yourself as being formless, how you could possibly think the world is real, or form is real, or that it wouldn't be a benefit for you to detach your mind from, or detach your awareness from the mistaken notion that you have something to do with this world, and how that's I don't understand that. So maybe